Ever dreamed of a green thumb? If so, I have some exciting news. The ability to cultivate a lush, thriving green environment is within your reach. It starts with a simple idea, a plant journal. A plant journal is a personal diary of your journey in the world of botany. It's the key to unlocking the secrets of nurturing plants successfully. It's an opportunity to explore, learn, and grow as you immerse in the world of horticulture. To set up a plant journal, you don't need anything elaborate. A simple notebook can suffice, as the objective is to record your observations and not to create an artistic masterpiece. But of course, you can always make it aesthetically pleasing if you wish. Now let me walk you through the process of maintaining a plant journal. First, you start by jotting down the date. This is crucial as it will help you track the growth and progress of your plant over time. Next, you record what kind of plant you're dealing with. This detail will be handy when comparing how different species react to varying environmental conditions. Then, you specify where the plant is located. You might think, why is this important? Well, different locations in your home can have distinctive light and temperature conditions, and this can significantly affect the plant's health. Maybe you have a plant that relishes the morning sunlight from the east-facing window, or perhaps your green friend prefers the filtered light from a north-facing window. All of this valuable information can be captured in your plant journal. It's also essential to keep track of the amount of water you feed your plants. Some plants need a lot of water, while others prefer a drier environment. Monitoring the water intake and correlating that with climate condition will help you understand its specific hydration needs. Don't forget to note down how much sunlight your plant is getting. Sunlight is one of the most crucial factors affecting plant growth. By tracking this, you can move your plants around to ensure they're getting the optimal amount of sunlight. Finally, you should record any changes you observe in your plant. This could be anything: new leaves, discolorations, growth spurts, or even signs of disease. This will help you spot patterns and identify potential issues before they become significant problems. Maintaining a plant journal will make you more mindful of your plant's needs. Over time, you'll begin to see patterns. Is your fern flourishing in a shady corner? Is your succulent basking in the glory of the sunny windowsill? You'll find the answers within the pages of your journal. However, remember that patience is pivotal. Plants don't grow overnight. They follow their rhythm and pace, and sometimes progress can be slow. But don't let that deter you. Your understanding and knowledge grow at a much faster rate. This progressive understanding is the true reward of maintaining a plant journal. So it's time to grab that pen, find that notebook, and embark on the riveting journey of plant care. Give your plants the love, care, and attention they truly deserve. Your plant journal, filled with observations, insights, and personal experiences, will be your secret weapon for a greener life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants.